No.
You have completed your
I have completed, but I have my rights to talk my people also, right?
कैमरामैन चुपके से दिखा दो तो दहशतगर्द What is up people, मेरा नाम विनीत तनवाना और आज 1-1.5 साल बाद मेरे को फाइनली मौका मिला रैली में आने का मिस्टर डेविड देबबर्मा के। लेकिन हमारी गाड़ी पीछे रखी थी तो जो ऑपोजिशन के जो बंदे हैं उन्होंने पूरा घेराव करके रख लिया है बीजेपी के रैली को, चक्रव्यूह बना लिया है। तो आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं पुलिस वाले भी खड़े हैं, दे आर ऑल आर्म्ड एज इन डंडों के साथ, नो गन्स। दिखाओ,
दिखाएंगे ना, ये सब बी रोल्स ना।
तो कैमरामैन चुपके से दिखा दो तो दहशतगर्द चुपके से दिखा दो, ठीक है? हाँ कोई बात नहीं, चलो। आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ।
Hello, how are you doing? Can we get 5 minutes of your time later?
Yeah.
If you're free?
Yeah.
Alright, sure. No, not here. It's a little tense right now. After a while.
Yeah, you come with us.
हेलो, ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग डेविड के साथ विल वॉक अहेड विद हिम एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। इट्स वेरी टेंस राइट नाउ, एवरीवन इज शाउटिंग, यू प्रॉब्ली कांट इवन हियर मी। देखते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है अभी। आप भी नारे लगाओ। हेलो, आ जाओ।
हम लोग का प्रोड्यूसर कहाँ गया? प्रोड्यूसर का
Is this an everyday scenario for you?
This is every day.
Does it affect you mentally?
It doesn't. We have seen in bigger challenges before in 2018. This is a penny for me. These are a bunch of morons. They're not even the local party workers. They're mostly from outside, from Mandai, from Simla, and mostly
They're
the
not
young
from
boys.
Kuwait.
Not even from Kuwait. They're mostly from 16, 17 years who are quietly intoxicated with drugs and all. This is not a local boys also. They're not a local boarders. Just we call in a Bengali in a Bohira Guto. Even the candidate also Bohira Guto. He also brought the goons from Bohira Guto from outside. They doesn't have a local people along with them. Most of my local people are here. And this is the first time BJP is gathering up in Ramchandra Ghat.
Okay,
And
this is the first time?
This is the first time.
Okay, so
we haven't
do you think
contested-
that might be the reason for the...
Of course, they were quite going through the fear psychosis. They have seen this is the hope for them. They're losing. That is the thing.
They might be in fear of losing power. Is that what
They
you're
have
saying?
already lost the elections.
Okay.
We are just waiting for the vote to get cast. Our peoples are willing to cast in favor of the big seat Tripura, in favor of the big seat triple engine council.
Got it. And what are your plans on developing the place right now? And what are the biggest issues you feel that people are facing?
Meanwhile, the biggest issues in the sense is like we are in the state government, we are in the central government. We have given the development, we have done a lot of development, but due to the local government, local politicians and local public representatives, we are unable to fulfill the promises we made before. But the last mile delivery we have committed, but they are not letting us to do such a last mile delivery. When the nepotism, mostly the nepotism is trying to follow. And talking about the development, if the road construction took place today, the mostly road constructions going through in my constituencies, they look after those, even they quite fed to the local contractors as well. This is also quite challenging. So let's see, people are here to choose me, and after I become an elected representative from here to council, I'll raise the concern issues and
What are
I'll
the
try to
first
bring all the
steps that you are
development.
going to take?
See, I will not be discussed with the Hom Sang right now. So Hom Sang right now. What
inside scoop
first
का
of
थोड़ा
all,
देर
तो
करते
of
हैं.
course Ramchandra mostly our youth are mostly challenging into the drugs. ठीक है. As Honorable Chief Minister upon Nasa Mukt Tripura,
Right.
and you see the most of youths in Ramchandra are facing going through the drugs. So first of all, I have to cut the hand of the who supply drugs. जो drugs खाता है उसको तो आप रिहाब भेज सकते हैं. तो
जो
drugs
बेचता है
बेचता है
उसको-
उसका हाथ काटना है बस. That is the biggest challenging. I'll do first after I become MDC from here.
Great. Lovely talking to you, and I'll see you back
Thanks, Vinay.
in 2-3 minutes.
Thanks for coming to our cigar.
For sure, for sure. Thank you. Best of luck. Lovely talking. But I'm a fan of Big Boss. मैं Big Boss देखता हूँ. मुझे कलेश पसंद है. तो शायद अब कलेश हो सकता है. देख सब एक दूसरे से गुस्सा है. सबका दिमाग खराब होता है. I don't know why. पुलिस वालों को भी धमकी दी जा रही है. देख लेंगे तुझे भी पुलिस वाले. खुले देख लेंगे. मैंने नहीं बोला. वो बोल रहा है. Come here, come here. Simon, what are they saying? मीडिया डेविड भैया के साथ.
डेविड ने चुनी तभी नाजर हाँ यहाँ होना था.
क्या?
हम लोग का शूट तो करे उनका क्यों नहीं करे. हम लोग दोनों का लिया.
दोनों का लेके.
Okay, you do your script.
All right, yeah. So I was saying the mahal is very tense right now, and yeah, you probably can hear it. See, this is the josh of a rally, of a political rally. You come here, you are. मेरे को पीछे देखना पड़ता है. कभी भी लाठी आ सकती है मेरे ऊपर. But yeah, I love coming here, coming to these political rallies. You meet a bunch of characters. It's lovely. There's never a boring day in a political rally.
No.
You have completed your.
I have completed, but I have my rights to talk my people also, right? They here to obstacle my rally.
हम लोग का सरकार है, बीजेपी सरकार है, हम लोग को धरना है क्या? हम लोग को धरना है क्या?
We'll go to Sankola.
Then please go.
We'll go after some time.
Okay.
He's trying to calm people down, but जवान खून है, गरम तो रहेगा ही. दोनों साइड का ही है गरम खून. अब वो गरम खून किसके ऊपर बहेगा? कट करता हूँ. बता देखते हैं. And अभी पुलिस एक सर आए थे. He was trying to, get the people from BJP out of here so that the tensions do not escalate. But obviously, none of them is willing to back down for obvious reasons. तो देखते हैं. We'll see.
Hey, let's move. चलो अपना काम पे चलो. समय बर्बादी नहीं करना. ये लोग समय बर्बादी कर रहा है तो मैं अपना समय बर्बादी करूँगा क्या? हेलो. Yes, I shall call back. I'll set a schedule of mine. Give me some time. Yes, give me some time, all right? I'll set my schedule. Thank you, brother. Thank you. God bless you. Let's go. चलो.
सही है. सब अभी शांति से घर जा सकते हैं. सब शांत हो गया. सब बच गया.